Mavic on. Have them up there just a little bit. Now it's fine. Woo! With a Robomaster. Alright, we're gonna go out and see. It's gonna be interesting one. Alright, got the track. It's ready. Mavic and Robomaster at the same time. Woohoo! Look at that, guys. Woo! I'm able to ride with my Robomaster beside me. Look at that. Woo! Yeah! Robomaster. Woo! It's awesome, man. Look at that. Yeah! Come on, Robomaster. Let's go. You don't need obstacle avoidance. Woo! Look at that. Wow. Look at that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the track. And I'm just gonna do a watch me. I'm just doing a watch me here. All right. I gotta watch me. I'm just gonna have the drone right here because I want this thing to follow me. Yeah, every move. Look at that. Woohoo! Woo! Look at that. On the one wheel. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and control it. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna go and turn this off. And then I'm gonna do a profile. Alright, I'm gonna do a profile. Profile is on. Alright, I'm gonna go and turn that off. He's way out there. Okay, have it right here. And got my profile on. Woo! Look at that. With a Robomaster. Yeah! With an action. Using the Osmo action. Look at the turn, look at the turn, look at the turn. Woo! Woohoo! I'm moving. I'm moving. All right, I'm gonna go raise it up, the drone a little bit higher. I got it about right here. That's what I wanted at. And then I want it to be low. Look at that. Woo! It's drifting. I'm gonna go speed. I'm gonna have it right here. About right there. You know, I'm gonna go a little bit lower. How low can the Mavic Pro 2? Alright, got the Mavic. And I'm gonna turn this way. Woo! Robomaster, don't follow me. What? 2. Wow, look at that. This is awesome. All right, he lost me in there for a minute. We're going to come back. We're going to come back. He lost me just a little bit. He's looking for tracking. He's looking for tracking. And he found me. All right. Go back this way. got me tracking me again. Got it on. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go forward. Look at that Mavic. Put it right there. Woo! Mavic Pro 2. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this way. Wow, and let me see if I can go ahead and full speed. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can do full speed. I'm going. He's tracking. Look at that, I'm moving, man. Woo, an extreme wind. Look at that. Robomaster. Woo! Look at that, I can able to do it. Yeah, he's coming. Woo! He's tracking. Totally awesome. Woo! Yeah! That was amazing.